everyone. We're standing in Sugarite State Park in New Mexico. Way up on the nature trail looking over at the Vista Overlook. What a beautiful place. Almost to the very close. This state park is full of all kinds of wildlife, although we're not seeing anything right now, but you've got elk, black bear, mule deer, lots of different bird species. It's a very botanically rich state park, lots of different flora. It's just very beautiful. Lots of campsites. And if you notice this state park, it's got all these flat mesas at the top that open up into really nice meadows. Really beautiful areas where the elk are very attracted to, and they can graze in those areas. This is a lovely state park. There's also a couple of lakes that are here as well. But look at that overlook right there, through that whole valley, that canyon, all the way out. Isn't that something? That's pretty cool. That goes way, way back in the direction of Las Vegas, New Mexico. Very expansive out here. What a cool place.